Alright, today I'm gonna be teaching y'all how to make a trading EA. I'm gonna just start with something simple for real. I'm just gonna do like a I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna start with an EMA cross. So basically, I'm gonna just show y'all how to make a EA for your trading, like any strategy. So you'll basically use the same format and just change it into like anything that you're doing, pretty much. Alright, let's get into it. Let's see. So what you're gonna need is cursor. You're gonna need MetaTrader, or yeah, you're gonna need cursor, MetaTrader, and ChatGPT. I usually use ChatGPT to just walk me through it, and I use cursor to code it. Let's see. This strategy I'm gonna just do a simple EMA cross. Let's just do a simple EMA cross for right now. So this is what I would say. I would be like let's see. Hi, I would be like, hi, I wanna make a bot on MT4 that use EMA cross trading conditions, right? So because it's basically trading conditions, when you make a trading strategy, you need trading to get conditions for your buys and sells. So you would just be like, you would use the EMA cross for your trading conditions. Let's see, and let's see what come out. What it say. Let's see what we get. Which one I'm using? Yeah, I think this one's fine. About creating the language. So it's basically telling me like simple. You were reading the make and use the EMA crossover strategy and may calculate two EMAs, a fast one and a slow one. So that makes sense. So okay, I would do an EMA that does a fast one and a slow one. I would ask it. Let's see. So I would ask ChatGPT to create a buy and sell condition description, right? This is if you don't have a strategy already. This is like just creating it from scratch. This is just like just out the top of your head. You know, this is what I'm just doing for right now. See right here, it gave me a concept. So basically, I could just use this concept or whatever it's telling me. I just use this concept and let's see. A buy signal generates when the short-term trend EMA begins to rise. Long-term trend represents a slow EMA crossover. Market condition gain upward momentum. So see, it gave me the buy and sell conditions, right? So okay, cool. So this is pretty much what you need. Let me see if there's anything. Let me see if there's anything else that I need on here. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is just a buy and sell condition. This is not stop loss. This is not TP and stuff like that. So, but I'm gonna add that on later. I'm gonna just use this is just the foundation for the trading strategy itself. So I'm gonna use this is just an EMA cross. This is just a simple trading strategy. So I'm gonna just copy and paste the concept. Alright, so I'm gonna copy and paste the concept. I'm gonna put in ChatGPT. Alright, let's see what we get. So make sure everything looks good. This is Cursor, by the way. You can go download Cursor. They do ask for a membership, so you do have to pay for a subscription for like ChatGPT and Cursor, but it's worth the money once you really get down to it. And yep, let's see. Wow. So this is, I'm gonna just throw this in ChatGPT and I mean Cursor and see. Let me see if it says what it's on. Okay, so you have to, I gotta make sure I tell it it's for MT4 so the code to be right. I don't want it to write no code for like PineScript, which is for TradingView, or MT5 code, because I'm using MT4. So I'm gonna just throw in for MT4 in here and see what come out. Alright, so now it's doing everything it's need to do. Let's see. Okay, cool, 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 cool. Like it's doing it now. It's right my perimeters and stuff like that. Risk management. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Alright, cool, 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 cool. So this is the code right here. Alright, cool, 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 cool. So as you can see, Cursor already added a stop loss and a TP for it, so I didn't have to tell it to do that. I was gonna tell it to do that anyway. So let's see. We're gonna save this, and yep, this is the code right here. All right, cool. There we go. So yeah, I was looking for that. Actually, yeah, when it puts the code right here, it's gonna actually throw it over here. So that's what I was really looking for, and I found it. So here it goes. So this is just the whole code right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open my I think it's meta quotes, right? So I'm gonna open my meta quotes, and I'm gonna make a whole new tab. I'm gonna make a whole new thing. I'm gonna just call it EMA cross, right? S for strategy. EMA cross S for strategy. Skip, skip, skip. I don't know. Oh, I don't know why that popped up. But you would select all this, throw that away, and I would go to my my cursor. I mean, go to my cursor. And this is the strategy right here. It's a simple strategy. It's not nothing complex. When you start doing complex strategies, it's gonna get a little bit more tedious because you have to debug it and all type of stuff with it. So it's like it's gonna be definitely different. But this is just something simple to get y'all an idea how to really like start, because some of y'all strategies might be simple, or some of y'all strategies might not even use indicators. That's a whole nother thing, but that's not a problem either. But let's see. Yep, this is everything. So let's see. We're gonna compile it. Yep, and everything looks fine, looks good. I always, before I back test it, I always push this the start button, because sometimes when you put the code in, compile it, and you like keep doing that, it doesn't really change. So I would like just start this, right? It'll pop up. All right, cool. So now we're good, but it shouldn't really trade because I'm not logged in. Yeah. But see, as it popped up, see right here. Now you got your inputs. You got your inputs. See, it even lets you edit your EMA periods, which is going to give you different outputs for your strategy, right? And so the thing is about this, I like to really check and see that it works well. If it doesn't necessarily work like it's supposed to, then it's like we got an issue. So how I check to make sure it works well. Let me see. Of course, you're gonna need the indicators on the chart to read it, but this is how I really check. So I'll put it in visual mode. I turn it up. You can put a random date. I'll just put this is a random date. This is just a random date, not really a big deal. And I would change. Let's see. Of course, I gotta find. Yeah, I got a lot of EAs. I've been making EAs for a little minute, but let's see. I'm trying to find the one that we just made. Oh yeah, right here. All right, so cool. So boom, we got that. We got that, and we got that. We got everything looks good. Now we got to make sure that everything looks good on here. Alright, so we got 10, 20. The trading lot size is 10 cents. Testing is $10,000. Okay, 10 cents for $10,000. That should be decent for right now. Your stop loss is 100. And your take profit is 200. That seems pretty decent. So now, what I would do is just it's on visual mode, so I would just wait. I'm gonna go here. And what I like to do is to make sure everything looking right, I be trying to find the indicators on here and throw it on there. Let me see if I can find the EMA actually on here, so I can throw it on there while it's back testing. Let's see. Yep. Nope, that ain't it. Moving average, I think moving average will work well anyway. I think it's close to the same thing, but it's not. Whatever. We're just gonna throw the EMA on there and try to get the same. It's gonna give us the same thing. As long as it's close, it's working. Let's see. See, Okay, okay, so okay, they good, they good, they good, they good. Okay, so we got a 10 EMA, right, and we got a 20 EMA, right. So let's see if it did right. It crossed it right there, it didn't do right. Crossed right there. See, so that's what I'm saying. Like it's almost it's close, but it's not exactly there. It's close, but it's not exactly there. It's not exactly doing what it's supposed to. Well, let me not say that. Maybe it is crossing because the indicators do be late. Let me see. Yeah, see, it been crossed before it made that trade. Look, look, look. It's kind of late. See, look, it crossed and it didn't do anything. It crossed and didn't do anything. So that's when you have to start debugging it and start really playing with it a little bit more. But it's close to it and everything like that. So I'm gonna sit here and debug it a little bit more just to show y'all like that little process. But let me see. See, it even added some indicators here. That's a 10 and that's a 10, but my setting says 10 and a 20. So yeah, where's the 21 at? That's the 20 and that's 20. So it made two 10s and two 20s. So see, they around the same. Let's just look at it and see if it was really a difference here. Yeah, it was either way it goes kind of late. So either way it goes late. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to cursor and tell it that it's kind of late. It's kind of late. Um, what should I say? It's kind of late. Not getting in at. I don't know what you would say. Perfect time. I would just say call it perfect time, right? Because it's not perfect, right? Let's see what we get. Yeah, see, so it does. See right there, it say after the bar closes. Not that's not what I want. I don't care if the bar closes in this strategy. Like even something that little does make a difference in your strategy and what you come out with. So you want to get exactly what you want. So I don't want to wait when it closed. I want to do it as soon as I tell it, as soon as it cross. So let's see. Yeah, see, it did say when bar closes. So let's see. Let's see. So he made improvements, real time crossover. Let's see, storage and may last volumes or shit like that. Yup. Set it to false. So the AI seemed like it gave me another input. Let's see if that's true. Let's see if that's true. So you would, same thing. You would just copy this or whatever. Go to your MetaTrader, and like I said, yeah, you have to push this red button to shut it off and restart it. I don't like doing that. You can either do select all and push Control X, but I just push Control Z, and that's easy, and it cuts that off, and we can put another one, and boom, we there. All right, cool. I push that button. See, it did give us an input, so since it gave us an add-on input, this is either it can get in when a bar closes, or it can get in at real time, like it said. It said when a bar crossovers. I mean when the EMA crossover. So yeah. Let me keep that as okay. I'm gonna just push okay on that. And yep. So this is what, and let's see what else we got. All right, so now I'm gonna check it. I'm gonna put it on false. We're gonna put that on false. We're gonna keep everything. I kind of want to make it a little bit longer so I can really see what's going on. So I'm gonna make make it a little bit farther than normal. So I'm gonna do like, but at the same time I do gotta check and make sure it get in when it crossover. So I'm gonna do like 100 to 250 or something. All right, make it a little bit more room. 10, 20, and 10. So we're gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna just run it, throw the MAs on there. I'm gonna make the screen a little bit bigger for y'all so y'all can really like see it. Let me see. Yeah, there we go, but there we go. We're gonna just exit all that out. We're gonna exit that out. Forget it. We're gonna exit out. Alright, cool. So y'all can see what's going on. Join the Discord. Alright, let's see. Oh, let me put my things on there. Oh, oh no! What happened? Oh, there we go. There we go. Did something a little weird. Whatever. Alright, so cool. Alright, see, it did it right there. It's doing it more on time now. See, it did it right there. 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 It look like it's getting in when it's not supposed to. I don't know. I can't really tell. Let me see. It's getting in right there. Got out. See, it didn't get in right there. That's an issue. Didn't get in right there. That's an issue. That's another debugging process. So of course, see, as you can see, not to make this video too long or nothing, I'm probably gonna go. I'm gonna go through this and do all this. But when you it's obviously not doing what it's supposed to still though. It's not doing the right thing it's supposed to still. So that's the thing about this whole process. You have to debug it till it's like perfect in your like eyes. So yeah. So I'm gonna just go through the debugging process. I'm gonna go through all that. I'm gonna be selling this EA in the link. So this EA is gonna be like fully optimized to the max. I'm gonna make sure that everything's running perfect, and I'm gonna add my own inputs that I use for my strategies on this EA so it can make people money and make you money. So click that link in the description. This is just a video to show you and give you an idea and the start of like making your own EAs, and I will be making other EAs and more complex EAs to show how that process is for me. But yeah, like and comment, sub. Bye.